Hello, Helen Owen here. As many of you know, I have battled with acne. I've been very open about sharing my struggles with acne and breakouts. And Sonya Dakar, who is a skincare guru, her products have really made such a big difference in my skin, and I've never been more confident in my skin than I am right now at this point in time after using her products consistently. So I am so thrilled to announce that I get to team up with Sonya Dakar, and we've created a skincare kit which takes some of Sonya Dakar's best products and my skincare essentials, makes them more affordable, all within the same kit that you can purchase to try out these products. So I just wanted to walk you through exactly what comes in each kit. Each kit will come with a robe, this pink silk robe, which I literally wear every single morning. On this side, we have the oily skin, acne prone skin kit. And on this side, these are all the products that will be in the dry skin, sensitive skin, and anti-aging kit. First item in each kit will be a face wash. This is a full-size face wash, which is an amazing value. In the oily skin kit, the silver clarifying wash. This is actually the one that I use, clearly. It's really, really good for clearing out your clogged pores and keeping your skin clear. And then this is the Sensi wash. This is actually what Zach uses. Zach uses Sonya Dakar's products too, by the way, and they've changed his skin so much. Next up in the kit will be the Omega oil or the Omega Booster oil, depending on your skin type and which kit you purchase. I personally use the Organic Omega Booster oil. This one is safe for oily and combination skin, and I am 100% addicted to this product and how incredible my skin feels when using it. Next, in either kit, you will get the Rose Gold Radiance Mask. This one is a favorite of mine. I love this mask because it really calms the skin down. I like to do this when I have any redness or irritation. It is such a good size. I've been using this one and still have so much left, so it's a great way to trial this product. The next product in the kit, new from Sonya Dakar, toners. So the first toner is the Green Energy Clarifying Toner. This one's for blemish prone skin, and it has salicylic acid and green coffee in it. Wakes up your skin while also clarifying. The respective toner for the other kit, this is the Hydrating Toner, which has hyaluronic acid and vitamin C in it. Next in the kit, you will get a hydrator / moisturizer. I use this one, the Nano Clarifying Hydrator, and Zach uses this one, the Nano Hydrator. This one is great for anti-aging purposes, and this one is great for blemish-prone skin. In the acne-prone skincare kit, I included the Blemish Buster because this stuff is magic. You just dot it onto your blemishes before bed, wake up, and they are far less inflamed, if not completely gone by the morning. In the spot of the Blemish Buster, the dry skin kit will come with this nano mask, an intense hydration mask. Last but not least, both kits will come with a flash facial. The most fun product to use, and you can tell instantly the effect that it takes on your skin. You just apply a little bit of this all over your face and then start to rub, and your skin will start to peel off. I know that sounds kind of freaky, but all the dead skin just starts to come off. You have like smoothest skin underneath. Love this product, so happy it's included, and this is the last product in both kits. Finding really good, effective, and clean products that are all natural has made the world of difference in my skin. So to make that more accessible for people to try these out is so exciting. If you've been wanting to try Sonya Dakar's products, this is such a perfect way to try them out for yourself. Get to go through a routine with her products and really see the difference that it does make in your skin. Helen Owen times Sonya Dakar skincare kit will be launching on November 9th. So soon. I'm so excited, and we've already created a pre-sale link just to make sure you secure your kit, because I know in the past with kits that she's done, they have sold out, and it is a limited kit with no restocking. That's that. I can't wait for you guys to try them out. Let me know what you think.